Hey y'all, so it's me Alexandra, and today I am going to be doing another deep conditioner review. Today is going to be the most exciting deep conditioner review I have ever done, and this is the SheaMoisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Hair Mask. When this came out about like a month ago, I was so excited. I'm in this natural hair group chat and somebody sent a picture of this on the Target website, and I was like, hold up, because the whole time I've been like, this coconut and hibiscus line needs a hair mask, and then SheaMoisture just comes out with the hair mask and they don't tell nobody. I was like, I need to get it, and I just happened to run out of one of my favorite deep conditioners, and I was like, well, this is time to try something new. So literally about an hour ago, I went to Target to go pick this up, and today's wash day. My hair was in some halo twist, and I just took them out. I'm about to go hop into the shower and wash my hair, and then I'll come back and apply this to my hair and tell you guys how I feel about this product. I have very, very, very high hopes for this product, okay? And if it doesn't deliver, I am not going to be happy. So I have this section in a plastic bag so that it can stay wet, and this section is sectioned away. So I have this, and it smells literally just like the rest of the line. And the consistency is kind of just like really thick. Has that kind of buttery, it's thick with this little buttery consistency of it. Okay, so far, it's gliding through my hair, but it's not like insane. It's just, you know, being regular. And you definitely don't need a lot. Like, I feel like I over applied the product. So I'm gonna kind of detangle my ends because they're really, really tangled because I didn't detangle in the shower. So I'm just gonna lightly, I usually prefer to detangle after I've let my deep conditioner sit so that after it's penetrated in my hair, I can detangle, but my hair is really tangled, so I'm gonna detangle now. And it does do a good job of detangling. It has good slip. It's really thick, guys. I scratched that, it's really thick. But it feels good. And it definitely feels like it's absorbing into my hair. So y'all know, after I apply deep conditioner, I like to braid it up. It makes it easier to sit underneath the steamer. So I'm just gonna braid this up. So before I go rinse this out, so I just finished steaming my hair. So I steamed my hair for about 10 minutes, and then I just put my hair in a plastic bag for like another like 10 minutes, and then I just unbraided my braids. And oh my goodness, guys, as I was unbraiding my braids, because like I said, I braided my hair up to steam it. When I unbraided those braids, my hair was so soft, like, and it feels really soft right now. I haven't rinsed it out yet, it's still in my hair, but it feels so good. Like, my hair feels so moisturized right now, and my curls are very defined. You probably can't see too well since I just finished unbraiding it, but like, this is really great. And a lot of the product absorbed into my hair, but that just lets me know that this product really did penetrate my hair. And oh my goodness, guys, so I'm about to go rinse it out, and I know it's gonna feel great. As I'm rinsing it out, I'm going to kind of detangle a little bit, just to make sure that everything is fully detangled. Okay, so now I just finished rinsing it out of my hair. I'm about to take this out so I can actually see what it looks like, but before I wanted to do that, I wanted to tell you guys how it felt as I was rinsing it out. Number one, this product is very thick, guys, and you can tell how thick it is as you're rinsing it out. I don't know, maybe I put a little too much. This is how much I used for one usage. I really don't think it's that much. All I'm saying is it took a long time for it to rinse out. Well, I kind of rinsed it out very slowly because I wanted to detangle with my wide tooth comb as I was rinsing it out. And as I was rinsing it out, it's like, y'all saw how it looked like there was no product in my hair when I took my braids out. You didn't see like a white cast or anything. But when I was rinsing it out, it was like all the product, like all of a sudden came out, and there was a lot of product. I was rinsing and it just felt like I had put the whole tub of this thing in my hair, which was good because it just felt like a lot of moisture, and it was very easy for me to use my wide tooth comb to detangle. So what I did is I went under the water for like 3 seconds to just soak my hair, and then I started detangling with this, and it was very easy to detangle. It was actually easier to finger detangle. And then I used this, and like I said, as I was rinsing it out, the products like multiplied in my hair, and it started to actually foam up. Like, I was like, wow, did I really apply this much product? It was like really like foaming, like the product was like multiplying, like, and it just felt like a lot of moisture and foam, and it was like, it took a while. Like, I had to rinse it out for a good amount of time before I could get it to a decent point. I don't like to rinse my product all the way out, but even that, it took a while to even just get some of that product out. So I did rinse for a little bit, but it felt good. It felt nice and soft and moisturized. Now let's see what it looks like. Okay, so my hair is still kind of soaking wet. Like, my curls are popping. It's nothing like insane, but it did define my curls, and it literally just feels nice and fresh and soft. Hey y'all, so I just wanted to come back on here and give you guys kind of like an updated review. So as you saw, the first part was more of the first impressions, but I didn't want to leave you guys with just the first impressions because, of course, first impressions lack in the fact that sometimes a product works better after you keep using it. So I didn't want to just post the first impression and then regret it later because I forgot to mention something that I noticed after I used the product for a while. So I want to come back after I've used it again and tell you guys what my updated thoughts of this product are. Guys, the first impression, I wasn't super impressed. Like, I was like, oh, it's great, but it's not like wowing and like wowing me. But after I used it again, oh my goodness, guys, I am blown away. SheaMoisture really did it when they created this mask, guys. Like, I used it again, and yes, I did feel the same things I felt in the first time I used it. Like, it applied really well. It had really great detangling properties. It smells really great. One thing I want to emphasize is the rinsing out process. When I apply this to my hair and I'm ready to rinse it out, guys, I feel like my hair is in moisture heaven. But it makes my hair feel so moisturized and so soft. Like, when I'm rinsing it out, it just feels like my hair is in heaven, okay? And after I've rinsed it out, my hair still feels nice and soft and just nice and ready to be styled and for the week or whatever. This is becoming real competition to my favorite hair mask. If you guys know, this is my favorite hair mask from SheaMoisture, like, ever. And this is real close, guys, like really close. But I think they both kind of have a little bit of different purposes. This one is strictly moisture. I, like, for example, last week I had issues with I had too much protein in my hair. I was almost getting a protein overload, and my hair was like really breaking and really dry, and it just needed a serious boost of moisture. And I used this, and my hair just did a whole 360. This stuff is amazing, guys. I didn't emphasize it as much in the first impression because it didn't wow me that much in the first impression, but after I kept using it, guys, I realized that this product is it, okay? It's it, okay? I had really high hopes for this, and it really delivered. Like I said, I want to point out some key points. It really does well with detangling. Really great slip. It feels really smooth into my hair. And one thing that distinguishes this from one of my favorite masks from SheaMoisture is this one really absorbs into your hair. Sometimes I get like that white residue, like white cast over my hair when I'm applying this deep conditioner or other SheaMoisture deep conditioners, but this one absorbs right into my hair, guys. Like, my hair really just drinks this thing up as I'm applying it to my hair. And then when I'm rinsing it out, it's like it lets it all out, and it just really spreads through my hair, and it just feels so great when I rinse it out. And of course, it does leave my hair popping. I mean, my curls popping. It smells really great, and it is, yeah. It is really thick. Like, I'm not even gonna sit here. It is a very thick deep conditioner, guys. This is really a thick deep conditioner. Okay, this is not lightweight. This is thick. It's like, guys, I don't really have anything bad to say. Like, I truly, this is, it's great, guys. It is great. Okay, and if you've tried it before, let me know in the comments below. What did you think about it? Did you guys think it's as great as I think it is? And are you guys gonna go check it out? Because I highly recommend it. This is sold at Target, and it is $11.99. If you have peeped, SheaMoisture kind of started like raising their prices on their deep conditioners. It started going to like $12, almost $13, but this is the standard $11.99 for this jar. Okay, and it is only sold at Target though. So, and maybe I think it's sold on the SheaMoisture website now too. But I highly recommend you guys buy it, and that is all for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Of course, I will be back with more deep conditioner reviews. These are really fun for me. Leave some recommendations for deep conditioner reviews that you want me to review in the future, and I will try to do them. So I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you guys in my next video.